Hi, I'm Pattu from freefincal. A few days ago, I had talked about why the concept of a withdrawal rate, and in particular the safe withdrawal rate, is both unnecessary and wrong. And I had some sharp reactions to that article as well as video. And some people said that if it is possible to have 4% safe withdrawal rate and keep the corpus protected at all times during retirement. Now, I want to discuss in this video that it is not possible to fight inflation after retirement if you wish to protect your nest egg. It's not possible. If you want to protect your nest egg, you cannot fight inflation. And if you want to fight inflation, the nest egg will deplete. That is, you have to touch your retirement corpus and start withdrawing from it. The principal will start falling down. So let's take this example that I talked about in that video. So 1 crore is the corpus upon retirement, and you put it in instruments in such that you get 7% overall return after tax every year in retirement, and 7% is the inflation, so which means that your expenses will increase every year by 7%. Now many people claim that this means that you are getting 7% interest from the corpus and you are going to withdraw every year just that interest, and therefore the rate of inflation is 7%, the interest is 7%, which means that you are just going to withdraw the interest and the corpus will never deplete. Now this is obviously wrong, because suppose you invest 1 crore in 7%. You will take away 4 lakhs in the first year, right? That will be the first year's expenses. That is an assumption we are making. The second year you need 4.28 lakhs. Now no instrument is automatically going to give you 4.28 lakhs in the next year, and another 7% more the next year, another 7% more the next year, and by 5 years you need about 5 lakhs. That's not how you are going to get interest. The interest is going to be the same, right? So if you put 1 crore at 7% interest, every year you are going to get 4 lakhs as interest. That's a constant, and that's not going to the interest is not going to increase, but your expenses are going to increase. So what do you then do? You have to dip into the principal. There is no other choice. So this is a simple point that many people simply don't seem to get. It is not possible to have a withdrawal rate of 4% constant in retirement. You can have a withdrawal rate of 4%, that is 4 lakh divided by 1 crore in the first year of retirement. After that, the withdrawal rate will automatically increase. The next year withdrawal rate will be 4.28 divided by 102 crores. That is the 100 crores minus 4 lakhs would have grown to 102 lakhs because of the 7% interest. So the next year withdrawal rate will be higher, the next year withdrawal rate will be higher, and so on. This is what we discussed in the previous video. I want to get into that. Now, there are some products that will give you increasing annuity. That is, if you give the money to an insurer, they will increase your pension every year by 3%, not 7%. They will increase it by 3% only, and this is before tax. And the interest they will give in the case of increasing annuity will be much lower than a constant annuity. So there's no way for you to beat inflation by using such increasing annuity products. And please remember that if you remove 4 lakhs in the first year and increasing, and the inflation is 7% every year, by the 5th year you will need more than 5 lakhs. So that's simply not possible in an interest based or return based investment. You will have to dip into the principal. There is absolutely no way for you to beat inflation by keeping the nest egg as the same. That is, there's no way you can keep that 1 crore same throughout retirement. Obviously that 1 crore you're going to dip into it and it will fall down. So you can't say I will increase my retirement, my returns, I will decrease the inflation and so on. All such things are only possible on Excel.